Ever wished an action camera could be light enough to forget you were wearing it, yet powerful enough to hold its own in a professional edit suite? The DJI Osmo Nano aims to do exactly that. At just 52 grams, this tiny camera is designed to feel invisible in use while still offering features like 10-bit D-Log M color, advanced stabilization, and a modular design that makes it more than just a toy. On paper, it brings together portability, pro-level image flexibility, and fast charging, though there are also some compromises worth knowing before deciding if it's a genuine creator tool or just another gadget. The Osmo Nano follows a minimalistic yet modular approach. The camera snaps into a multifunctional vision dock with magnets and clips, making wearable mounts and quick swaps easy. The camera itself is waterproof to 10 meters, while the dock is only splash-proof, so extra care is needed near water. A 1.9-inch touchscreen provides control, though its small size may feel fiddly. The ability to detach the camera makes flipping views or framing creative angles simple, and the lightweight body encourages experimentation with different mounts. DJI equips the Osmo Nano with a 1x1.3-inch sensor capable of strong dynamic range and 10-bit D-Log M recording, which gives creators flexibility in color grading. The ultra-wide 143-degree fixed lens favors immersive POV shots, though it limits tighter framing. Low-light capture benefits from DJI's Super Night mode, but this mode works at reduced frame rates and in 8-bit color, making it more suitable for casual night shots than high-end cinematic footage. Stabilization is handled by Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Balancing, aiming to deliver smooth results for walking shots and moderate sports without needing a gimbal. File transfer speeds are fast, with the higher capacity model supporting up to 600 megabits per second over USB 3.1. Battery life, however, appears modest, roughly around an hour at 4K at 60 frames per second, but the dock recharges the camera to 80% in about 20 minutes, which helps reduce downtime. The interface remains clean, but may feel less intuitive than some competitors, especially on such a small screen. Voice commands and gesture controls are included for hands-free operation, which could be useful for action scenarios. Audio is handled by dual microphones, with the added benefit of direct pairing to DJI's wireless mic system without an external receiver. The biggest limitations are the non-removable battery and the dock's limited splash proofing, both of which may deter those who need maximum ruggedness or swappable batteries for extended shoots. Overall, the DJI Osmo Nano offers an intriguing balance of pro-grade features and ultra-portable design. It looks particularly well-suited for creators seeking a discrete POV camera, a lightweight B-cam, or a flexible mounting tool. For more extreme sports or fully rugged conditions, a GoPro Hero or DJI's larger action series may still be the safer choice. Which mount would you try first? Hat, helmet, or dog collar? Drop your answer in the comments. Have you ever wanted to hit a record without ever touching your camera? Imagine doing that from your wrist while you're mid-ride, mid-dive, or mid-very awkward dance move. Today, we're unpacking leaked shots and insider snippets that say DJI's Osmo Action 6 might let your smartwatch act like the camera's remote. And honestly, that tiny idea could change how we shoot action clips forever. Quick favor before we dive in. If you like gear leaks and no-fluff breakdowns, smash that subscribe button. Stick around because later I'll tell you whether these leaks are game-changer level or just tasty rumor fodder. So, here's what spilled online. A tester set of images and early documentation show an Action 6 pairing with a smartwatch and the watch screen even showing Osmo Action 6 on it. The new camera was one of the outlets that shared the images and the claim that smartwatch pairing isn't just for overlays anymore. It looks like the watch could become a full remote. That's the seed of the story, and it's the reason everyone is buzzing right now. Why does this matter beyond novelty? If the leaks are right, your watch could start and stop recordings, flip shooting modes, and stream live sensor data onto your footage like speed, heart rate, distance, altitude, and even your route. For Garmin folks, there may be extra training metrics like cadence and dive data. Translation: no more fumbling with sticky gloves or unmounting your camera just to change a mode. This is the kind of usability upgrade athletes and creators actually notice, not just another spec sheet. Now for the tech that's making editors salivate. Multiple outlets point to a much bigger sensor in the Action 6, a 1-inch CMOS, which would dramatically improve daytime detail and low light noise. Leaks also claim 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60, silky, 4K at 120 frames per second for slow motion, and high frame 1080p at 240 for extreme slow-mo. Add to that 10-bit D-Log-M color, quoted dynamic range in the neighborhood of 13 stops, and upgraded stabilization called Rocksteady 4.0 with an AI horizon leveling mode. Storage and connectivity rumors include about 64 gigabytes built in, a micro SD slot, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C support. These are the headline features that would make this more than a minor upgrade. Timing and pricing are always where hype meets reality. The rumor mill is pointing to a mid-October reveal, with pre-orders shortly after and shipments rolling into late October or November. Price whispers put a standard kit in the low 300s, while a more loaded adventure bundle with batteries and mounts sits closer to the high 400s or near 600, depending on the region and configuration. Take those numbers with a healthy pinch of salt. Leaks often shift as retailers and regions get factored in, but they line up across multiple reports. So, if these leaks hold true, the Action 6 would be a serious step up. A larger sensor, pro-level video options, smarter stabilization, and the genuinely useful twist of turning your smartwatch into a remote and data hub. Still, until DJI confirms, this is a rumor with a pretty strong supporting cast. What do you think would be the killer use for a wrist-controlled action cam? More mountain bike content, free diving edits, or just less camera fumbling on family trips? Drop your thoughts below. If you love this breakdown, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the official reveal. Peace.